You can now control the maximum cut step in area milling operations for on-part stepovers. This provides better control of point distribution and can result in improved surface finishing quality. Previously, only on-plane stepovers were supported. Notice that stepover applied is set to on-part. Because a maximum step has not yet been specified, the step points are far apart and unevenly distributed. The maximum step options are new for on-part stepovers. The step points are now closer together and more evenly distributed. This will produce a better surface finish.